We're in this apartment building. We got Jason here. Look, there's the stairs. And then here's the elevator. Quite the old building here. It's got an old hot button. Otis down there. Classic old Otis cab here. Otis. Got, of course, the landlord special with the white paint over literally everything. Can we see the capacity? Geez, I can't even tell. Oh, it says 1,000 pounds. Now have a look at this. Have a look at these buttons. That looks, wait. What was that? Hold on, one more time. What is that noise? Yeah, look at these buttons.
It's almost like they were, you know what I bet this had? It had like the old, like the big brass panel.
Oh, yeah.
All right, let's listen.
Single speed. I got a view from down here. All right, you want to push the button for us? Jeez. Should we do one more trip?
Probably not because it's so loud.
Yeah.
The whole building hears this thing around.
Oh, what? Look at this. This used to be on a hinge. Of course, that got painted over too. They played tic-tac-toe in it. How fun. Anyway, this thing is severely under levels at the first floor. Anyway, that will be it.